I'm typically a dreamer of design, but our sponsor PCBway can turn those dreams into reality. So you don't have a CNC machine or heavy-duty 3D printing. You also probably don't have personal ability to do injection molding or sheet metal fabrication, but you do have an idea for a custom PC tower build to be your end-all, be-all, everything chassis. PCBway offers all of the services you need to manufacture and produce your designs. Check the link down below to get started today. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt86. This video will be pretty quick. In our lifetime, we've witnessed the standardization of USB-C come into play. It made so much sense. Reversible, easy, somewhat universal. Next in our lifetime, I hope we see the end of captive cables. I loathe captive cables. So I'll start this video out by addressing it. The Jeecoo M20 is a dual setup speaker. They can be affixed together and form a soundbar or split apart and set up as a 2.0 stereo speaker for you to have that offers a fun style and is generally pretty interesting to look at least I think so. Speakers are more than looks though. So before we go too far, let's just stop here and do a sound check. I'll do my best to record them, but recording speakers over a mic and then playing them back over your own listening device, that's a rough way to formulate a true opinion. But it does have some value in there, so try to listen for what you can. Regardless, let's jump in. The top of the right speaker has a volume wheel that serves as a multifunction button also. A long press will turn the devices off and on, a double press for Bluetooth, and a single quick click cycles through the lighting modes. Here's a couple of them right here. When in the side-by-side stand-up mode, the speakers are about 21 centimeters tall, and times that by 2 for when it's in soundbar mode. They weigh in roughly 1.5 pounds or about 640 grams. The cable between them is just shy of 3 feet, approximately 81 centimeters long, with the USB cable not being much longer at about 4 feet, roughly 127 centimeters. At least the cable should be long enough to be tidy and provide you with enough area for room setup. These may be some of the easiest speakers to get right out of a box and get going with. Just straight up pull them out of the box, plug them in, you're set up, and you're rocking and rolling. Hopefully you're able to take something away from this. Have a great day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see you in the next video I do. Told you it was going to be a quick one.